Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the top 6 must-have car gadgets that'll make your driving experience smoother, safer, and more convenient. From high-tech cleaning tools to essential accessories, these gadgets are designed to enhance your ride in ways you never thought possible. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone looking to upgrade your vehicle, we've got something for everyone. So, buckle up and let's get started. Breathe easier with the Amoby 3-in-1 Vehicle Air Purifier, an innovative solution for air quality in enclosed spaces. Designed to create a completely purified car environment, it ensures you drive healthy and free from carcinogens. Powered by advanced UVA and nano-gold technology, Amoby achieves 99% air sterilization in just 5 minutes. Say goodbye to motion sickness as it eliminates ultrafine particles, providing a whisper-quiet operation that's energy efficient. It's the ideal choice for enclosed spaces, performing exceptionally even in poor ventilation conditions. Equipped with a pre-filter to capture polluted air and a carbon filter to absorb harmful gases and odors, Amoby goes further with its Air Shield 4.0, sterilizing air at a maximum 90x efficiency compared to other brands. The built-in IMU sensor automatically deactivates the lower fan and UVA light when positioned upright, ensuring safety and energy savings. Breathe safe with Amoby. Capture every vital detail with the 70mm A810 dashcam's true 4K video, ensuring crisp, clear recordings day or night. Thanks to the Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor and HDR technology, even low-light conditions reveal smooth color transitions for stunning clarity. Never miss a moment with the Quick View time-lapse feature, condensing hours into seconds for easy playback. The Smart Parking Guardian mode keeps your vehicle safe 24/7, detecting motion and recording suspicious activity. Stay secure on the road with lane departure alerts and ADAS features, delivering real-time safety warnings. With extreme clarity and security, the 70mm A810 dashcam redefines peace of mind. Make your journeys futuristic with the Holoride Retrofit, an in-car VR device designed to revolutionize passenger experiences. Weighing just 158 g, it pairs real-time vehicle data with a VR environment, syncing motion and position to deliver breathtaking motion-synced VR experiences in any car. Whether you want to play, watch, learn, or relax, Holoride offers immersive, exclusive content via its subscription service. This lightweight device makes any car Holoride ready, regardless of brand or model year. Feel the thrill of acceleration, steering, and route data seamlessly integrated into your virtual world. With reduced motion sickness and a 14-hour battery life, the Holoride Retrofit redefines in-car entertainment. The iOttie Velox magnetic wireless charging air vent mount offers easy installation with silicone prongs for a secure grip. Simply mount your MagSafe-compatible iPhone and enjoy wireless charging up to 7.5 watts, keeping your device powered while on the go. The 360-degree adjustable viewing angle lets you find the perfect position for navigation or hands-free use. With its powerful magnetic hold, your phone stays securely in place, even on rough roads, making it the ideal companion for your MagSafe iPhone. Navigate effortlessly with the Garmin Drive 53 GPS navigator, designed to simplify your journey. View your route with ease on the bright 5-inch high-resolution touchscreen, ensuring crystal clear visibility. Stay aware with driver alerts, keeping you informed of upcoming hazards or changes on the road. Avoid jams and delays with real-time traffic alerts, offering alternative routes when needed. Take a break with guidance to nearby food, fuel, and rest stops, making long drives more comfortable. Discover the best of the best with TripAdvisor traveler ratings, helping you find top-rated attractions and services. Explore nature with the U.S. National Parks Directory, offering insights into nearby parks. Finally, enjoy detailed map updates for North America, ensuring you never lose your way. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel is the ultimate detailing kit for your car's hard-to-reach spots, like air vents, steering wheel, and dashboard. The easy-to-use gel effortlessly picks up dust by pressing it into cracks, making cleaning quick and simple. Made from eco-friendly natural materials, it's gentle on your car's surfaces and reusable until the gel turns black. It's perfect for cleaning your car, keyboard, TV remote, and more. Ideal for both home and office use, it's the perfect gift for car enthusiasts or anyone who loves keeping their space spotless. Its lavender scent adds a refreshing touch while cleaning. That's it for our top 6 car gadgets. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.